Hey folks, Winston for Carbide 3D here. For the past decade, the Shapeoko name has been synonymous with accessibility. From its humble roots as an honest-to-goodness DIY kit, arduously and lovingly assembled from bags of nuts and bolts and extrusions, to the streamlined experience you get out of the box today, Shapeoko as a brand has come to champion the idea that anyone should be able to buy a capable, reliable CNC at an affordable price and own the software required to operate it. To do this, we had to make calculated design choices that struck the right compromise between price and performance to benefit the greatest number of people. And in doing so, we had to concede that there would always be a stronger, more badass CNC out there if you had the budget for it. And we were okay with that because at the end of the day, no one could rival the value Shapeoko brought to the workbench. But then we started thinking, why can't we also be the ones to build that more badass CNC? So we called up our favorite British CNC enthusiast,
Hi chaps,
set him up with an endless supply of tea, and told him not to emerge from his garage until he had designed the mother of all Shapeokos. Unbeknownst to us, but working in our favor, was an impending global pandemic and its associated UK lockdown that gave Luke no choice but to comply with our admittedly unrealistic demands. And this is the fruit of that Herculean effort, the ultimate benchtop heavy-duty CNC milling machine, the Shapeoko HDM. Here's the recipe. Start with the hybrid table system, a sturdy foundation with endless work-holding flexibility. On top of that, add rigid aluminum extrusions and thick machined aluminum end plates to tie everything together. For motion, everything rides on HG15 linear bearings. Power transmission comes from 16mm ball screws coupled with high-torque Nema 23 stepper motors running at 36 volts. To control that massive locomotive force, we've got an updated Carbide motion board that communicates with your computer over an optically isolated RS422 connection for maximum resistance to electromagnetic interference. And the cherry on top is an 80mm water-cooled VFD spindle with a closed-loop chiller. This is the Shapeoko with no holds barred, and the HDM is arguably one of the highest performance CNC machines you can run on a single 110-volt circuit, or 220 volts if that's your thing. The Shapeoko HDM is available for pre-order now and will ship before the end of the year. It will arrive nearly fully assembled on a pallet. Check out shop.carbide3d.com for more details. We'll also have a link in the description below. It should be noted that the Shapeoko 4 and Shapeoko Pro aren't going anywhere. They are still excellent machines for anyone looking for a remarkably robust CNC platform and maximum bang for your buck. But if you want truly next-level performance, a CNC router with the precision of the Nomad but more than double the raw horsepower of a standard Shapeoko, well, then you just might want to give the HDM a really good look. We'll share more previews of the machine over the next few weeks as we continue to test and push the HDM to its limits. Until next time, good luck and have fun machining, folks.